Hi, my name is Keller Alexander Cabratalaya, and this is typical week in my life. Uh, I am a civil engineering and studying. Um, on weekdays, I usually get up 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I have breakfast, get dresses, and go to the university. I I have classes almost every day. In the morning and afternoon, I attend lectures and work on assignments. I sometimes have group projects, so I met with my classmate to discuss term. Uh, After university, I usually get home around 6 p.m. I have dinner, take a short break, and then I study or do homework. I don't usually go out during the weeks because I am busy with schoolwork. Um on weekends, my routine is different. I often sleep uh, a little longer. I sometimes go out with my friends, uh, going play soccer, or spare time with my family. I also like to relax, watch movies, uh, or play video games, or uh, take uh, I play piano. Uh, um, so that's my typical week. I hope you enjoy it. I thanks for watching. Thank you very much.